This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Google account that will own the site because permissions and sharing depend on it. Once signed in, open Sites. Google.com/new and pick blank or a template to save time. You should name the site and set the primary navigation pages immediately. This creates the skeleton you'll fill. As you choose layout blocks, think about hierarchy and user flow. This reduces redesign later and makes content placement faster. Now you create and populate pages. Add home, about, contact, and any service or product pages needed. Use the Insert panel to add text, images, Google Drive docs, and embedded maps. These keep content synced and editable. Once content is in, apply a theme and tweak fonts, colors, and section backgrounds so the site looks consistent across pages. Make sure to use responsive sections and preview in mobile view. This avoids layout issues on phones and tablets. When ready, click Publish, pick a site address and set visibility, specific people, your organization, or public. After publishing, test every link, form, and embedded file on desktop and mobile to ensure they load. If something breaks, clear your browser cache first and then confirm the drive sharing permissions and site page visibility. Often the issue is a restricted file. Finally, make iterative edits and republish. This preserves the URL while you refine content and fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.